ओम प्रां प्रीं प्रों सह शनिश्चराय देवाय नमो नमः. ओम गम गणपतिये नमः. Shri Gurubhyo नमः. Hi everyone, this is Vinay again from Astrologic. This is the first video of 2022 and therefore wishing you all a very happy and successful 2022. Now let's look at the numerology predictions for 2022. Each one of you, so I'm going to share some exciting insights, on your predictions using a unique method based on the personal year number. So I'm sure you're going to like it and you're going to, definitely enjoy this if you watch this video completely. So this is a proven scientific prediction through Vedic numerology and also based on the Losho grid technique from China. So these predictions are usually very accurate, because they are based on the personal year number. Personal year number is something which we derive from your date of birth, month of birth and year of birth. Okay, you can learn more about personal year, personal month, personal day, and all these terminologies, all these calculations, when you join our community and if you get your personalized numerology report with next 9 years predictions, right? So if you WhatsApp us, you can get a completely personalized numerology report for yourself with next 9 years prediction. You just have to WhatsApp us with the request and we will share a PDF document, 50 plus pages of your complete numerology assessment of your strengths, your weaknesses, and along with your next 9 years predictions. The report also checks your name compatibility, your mobile phone compatibility, and it provides you with suggestions if there is a change that is required. The report also has remedies which will suggest you to activate certain numbers so that you bring more success into your life. Okay, so let's get started. So the basic philosophy is learn, act and accomplish. And before I go ahead, if you are new to my channel, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please ensure that you hit that subscribe button right away so that you get notifications whenever I post a new video. And off late, almost every week, I've been posting videos diligently. Usually my videos bring in a lot of value for people who would like to learn and get the awareness of occult science and inculcate or incorporate some of the techniques, some of the lifestyle on day-to-day basis which would help them in their transformation. The whole objective is to ensure that we transform together, right, as we move ahead. Now let's get started. So how does it work? So basically the personal year number is between 1 to 9. Okay, so that's the numbers that we have between 1 to 9. So which is basically a 9-year cycle wherein 4 out of these 9 years we get tremendous success, whether it is any event or outcomes, whether it is marriage, getting a job, childbirth, building a house, buying a property, right, buying a car, getting a promotion. So out of this 9 years, usually 4 years are such that we get a lot of success. So basically the years with personal year number, if it adds up to 1, 3, 6, 5, we also call these numbers 1, 3, 5, 6 as power numbers, right? Whenever your personal year adds up to these 4 numbers, either 1, 3 or 5 or 6, there is a high probability that you would have achieved your goals in that particular year. Okay, so you can go back and check. For example, 2021, my personal year number was 1. Okay, so there was good accomplishments personally in the year 2021. Now if I go back 9 years, when the personal year was again 1, so I can see that even that year I would have done very well. Okay, for example, I got a promotion in my job when my personal year number was 5. Okay, so whenever it is 5, okay, so you accomplish lot of success, you get lot of success whenever you have 1 3 5 6. And whenever you have 4 and 7, it's average years, not that great. With setting proper goals and hard work, you can get some result with 4 and 7. And when the personal year numbers add up to 2 8 and 9, you can see that there will be the progress will be slow. you know it will be a slow and steady year. It is a year where you have to be a little careful with everything, whether it is your new investments, whether implementing your new ideas, so on and so forth. You should hold on to your ventures. Whenever your personal year number is 2 8 and 9, you just have to wait till the time passes and you have other better personal year numbers, which are 1 3 5 6. Okay, so this is a concept which you will understand clearly if you take up a training with us on the subject of numerology, where you get end-to-end understanding and what exactly are these personal year numbers, how do we calculate them, how does it help us, so on and so forth. So in this video I thought of giving you a very high level introduction of what are personal year numbers. Now let's look at the predictions for 2022 for people with personal year number 1. Okay, so these are all the people who are born on, you can look at the first column, 1st 10th 19th 28th, 2nd 11th 20th 29th, so on and so forth till 9th 18th and 27th. And I have also given the month of birth. So no one, I don't think any astrologer in the country has given such a detailed information and prediction this year. So let's see. So your month of birth, from January to December, you can see in the second column, and you just have to match it. For example, if you are born on any of these dates in the first column and any of the months, if you match it on the right side, right, your personal year number is 1. And what is the punchline for personal year number 1? It is a year of new starts. So it's a great year for you where you start implementing your new ideas. The personal year 1 represents Sun, and in this year you can expect more enthusiasm and energy, which will help you to escalate or accomplish your unrealized goals and dreams, whether it is related to your job, education, business, career, home, or marriage, etc. You take any topic, right? So whatever your unrealized goals so far, you will be able to achieve them. You have to just remember that whatever you are going to start this year, it will have a great impact in the overall success of your coming life. It is highly recommended that don't miss the potential of this year. So make complete use of this year if your personal year number is 1. Okay, next, now let's move on to personal year number 2. The punchline for this personal year is slow and gentle year. Okay, it represents the year of moon. It is a slow and gentle year and demands lot of patience, waiting. So this year you will have to have lot of patience. You will be tempted to push and make the things happen. Okay, it works in personal year number 1, 3 5 6, but in this year if you are trying to do it, then you are just wasting your time and energy. Okay, so please be patient this year. It is a year for you to analyze the things and to consolidate all the previous and present things. So by doing this, you will find that you have reached where you want to be by the end of the year. So all the best. Now let's move on to personal year number 3. The punchline for personal year number 3 is education, knowledge, spirituality, occult science, and religion. So your focus will be on these areas. In the personal year number 3, if the personal year adds up to number 3, where you will be inclined towards your education, gaining additional knowledge. You might even get some interest with spirituality, etc. Okay, so this is the year of Jupiter. So this year your mind might be thinking of fun related activities, but it is unlikely to happen. It is better that you focus on the things related to education, knowledge, spirituality, religion. For people who are associated or want to be associated with the field of occult, education, spiritualism, or religion, this year will bring fantastic results. Okay. However, if you are thinking of business, job growth, then the results may vary from person to person and they may not be very great. Let's move on to personal year number 4. The punchline for this personal year number 4 is you can achieve your goal with hard work. If you set up the goal at the beginning of the year and if you work hard, you can definitely achieve your goal. This is a year of Rahu, which demands or dictates two things. One is hard work, second is focused approach. Okay, this year says that if you set a specific goal at the beginning of the year and work hard to achieve that goal, then by end of the year you will have something to show yourself and the world. Okay, your pocket will be full of accomplishments if you set a goal early and work hard for it. If you don't work hard and have no specific goal in mind, then the tone of this year is going to be serious, heavy, and restricting. So please, set yourself a specific goal and start working towards it in this year. Okay, if your personal year number adds up to 5 based on your date of birth and month of birth, then the punchline is success and expect the unexpected. This will be a year of success for you. Whatever you would have done in the past, whatever good karma that you would have done, it is the time, this year is the time for you to reap all those benefits. This is a year of Mercury, and we know that Mercury is comfortable and compatible with all the planets. So everyone can expect something from good to great in this year, right? So this is a auspicious year for change and variety, whether it is your career, education, home, marriage, traveling abroad, or anything. You may expect the unexpected, all in terms of positive gains in the area of your passion. Whatever is your passion, there you will get results. Even if you want to go for a bungee jumping, you can do it. So to sum it up, if your personal year number is adding up to 5, go for it. Whatever that you want to achieve, whatever that you are waiting for, there is a high probability that that event will happen in your life. All the best. Now let's move on to personal year number 6. Okay, the punchline for personal year number 6 is luxury, home, and family. So this is a year of Venus, which represents luxury and glamour. If you are thinking to get married and if it has not happened in the past, in the last few years, then this is a perfect year to go all out and the marriage can happen. Okay, so this is a year where you are going to strengthen your relationships with everyone, with family, friends, relatives. So if there is an issue with childbirth, if you are married and if there are issues with childbirth, then even then this is the perfect year where you can expect good results. And if you are trying to buy a new car, renovate your home, or buy a new home, redecorate, reconstruct your existing house, all of that related to your luxury home, you can take up those tasks in this year. Now personal year number 7. So the punchline for this is knowledge, wisdom, spirituality, and occult. This is a year of Ketu, which denotes, that knowledge, wisdom, spirituality, and occult. Your thoughts will be hovering around these areas. Your thoughts will be on the voyage of either learning or to meditate. Your thoughts will be mostly on learning, or you might even want to meditate all of a sudden. So that is the kind of mindset you will start getting in this year. Okay, you may even learn new skills or go for formal or informal studies in this year. This is a year of planning and analysis for you, but this is not the year for implementation. So if you are planning to implement something, so this is not the year. So it is like you should be on sabbatical, or you should be quiet in this year and just try to enhance your knowledge. Then next is personal year number 8. So the punchline is hard work, money, and finance. So this is a year of Saturn, which denotes to your karma, hard work, money, and finance. Okay, so this year says, I will give you the result by evaluating your hard work and karma that you have done in the past decade. Okay, if you have done very good karma in the past decade, you get good results. If you have done a little, you will receive a little. If you have done good, you will receive good. Okay, so however, money matters will tend to go your way this year. If you sell or buy something, you will get a good price, especially property or real estate. Okay, if you want to buy or sell, you will get a good deal. Many matters will tend to go your way. Okay, if you sell your property, real estate. Many people become workaholic, okay, in this year to earn more and more money. However, it is advised that you need to relax a bit, otherwise it will have an impact on your health. Okay, lastly, personal year number 9. So this is a period of re-evaluation and audit period. Okay, so 9 is like, it is ending. The spectrum of 1 to 9 is ending. This is where you have to wait, re-evaluate last decade, what you have done. You have to audit yourself, and introspect. So this is a year of Mars, and last year of the epicycle from 1 to 9. So this is a year of re-evaluation and audit of what you have done in the past 9 years. Okay, so don't expect anything great in the area of business, health, relationship. Okay, in this particular year, if something goes well, consider it as a bonus. Okay, so don't try to implement any new ideas in this year. Just wait for the subsequent or next year when your personal year is going to be 1. Okay, so you may be misguided by people during this personal year to invest in something, to start something, right? So please be very careful. Don't try to get into any kind of new ventures, especially which involves investments or a lot of money. Please ensure that you just sail through this year. Okay, so these are the predictions for the personal year numbers from 1 to 9. I hope you liked it. Please ensure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get auto notifications whenever I post new videos, and the videos that I post will have a lot of value tips to transform one's life. Okay, so if you would like to get your personalized numerology report with next 9 years predictions at a very affordable price, then please WhatsApp us on the number which is given there, and ensure that you also follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, etc. All the best. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.